Hello friends, welcome to my channel Astro Kannadiga English. Yes friends, ಬನ್ನಿ ಇವತ್ತು this day let us come to know about this poem, and I hope you like this analysis. And if you like my style of analysis in a palmistry, please subscribe to my channel. If you are very much impressed with my channel, please share with your relatives or with your friends or your colleagues or somebody else. It is my humble request. Please subscribe to my channel, and please ask your friends and family, ask your family members and your friends to subscribe to my channel. And okay, in this poem reading, especially give much emphasis on this mark. You see, there is a black dot on the bracelet line is having a great importance in a palmistry. So I am going to tell you at the end of this video. So stay in my video till the end, and you may get very valuable information regarding the black dot on the bracelet line. And here is also one more mole or black dot is there. I will explain that mole as well. So come on, let us directly go to this palm. What are the important markings which are there in this palm? Especially in the fingers, you see both fingers are in a very good length, and Jupiter, Saturn, and even Sun also. But the mercury length is not up to the mark. This makes the person very shy in nature, and even though he is having capabilities, and sometimes he simply doubt himself that he is having some capabilities or not. Okay, so next you see here the thumb is bending backward. This indicate that independent nature, and is doing some favorable work to the society. So next you see here, yes, of course, next we shall come to know about the Jupiter mount. You see, in the Jupiter mount we see the two important lines. One line is going upwards, and this is a progressive line that told throughout his life is having good progress, and one more line going towards the Saturn mount. This indicate that this person having a very compassion towards the poor and oppressed class people. And you see here the heart line is having trident, and one of the branch coming towards the lifeline. This indicate that this person is easily irritated and feel very frustrated when the things delayed. So next come to the Saturn mount. You see here Saturn mount is a very good line. You see here the fate line, the fate line having two branches. So this is very good Raj Yoga, one can call it. And also we see the triangle in the middle of this Saturn mount. This indicate that this person is basically a Saturn ascendant. And you see here in the middle also there is a small triangle is there. This one indicate that this person is having more Saturnian qualities. What is Saturnian qualities means? Saturn is a very hard working planet, as well as is very good disciplined and judicial powers is having. This person also having very hard working, very judicial, very very polite, and is always doing good work. So next one, you see here the Sun mount is it is not too depth and not too high. It's almost flat in nature. So the lines on it is particularly this line one line which is there in this sun mount. This line is indicating that he is having good what you call sun mount, and sometimes there is a small what you call line which is coming and cutting this fame line. This indicate that this person's fame is get disturbed by the some of the adverse events in his life. So while doing the government works, has to be careful in the legal matter. So next here you see the mercury mount is well bulged, and there is a vertical lines over it. This indicate that this person having very good intelligence, as well as is having more what do you call yes, of course, he is having more intelligence and also more good speaker, and also is having sense of humor as well, and is having potential to do a trade as well in his life. So this is and then come to the moon mount. See, moon mount is very good, and here one vertical fate line is going towards the Saturn mount. This indicate that after his marriage is like going, his luck going to shine as well. So here in the one line is coming out from the Venus mount and going towards the Mercury mount. This indicate that he is going to do the business which is related to the aesthetic sense, in the sense he is going to do any ornament business or any lipstick or some other thing which is helpful for enhance the beauty, like that. Cosmetics business also very good, and he may go to the foreign as well, and his family supports him very much for making of trade as well. So this is what next one. Venus is very good, and vertical lines is also very good, and there is a sister line coming out till the end of the lifeline. This indicate that is a strong lifeline is there, and for that there is a support is there, and he is very protected by the one other person, one or another is ready for him to protect. That means to say in his life he will not get any abruptive accidents or some kind of like that. That means to say he will not having any adverse results, even though if the accident or something happened, he will luckily escape from it. So that's it. So next one, of course, the main lines, the hot line is coming and directly going towards the between the Sun mount and Saturn, Jupiter mount and Saturn mount. This indicate that is very balanced, very expressive, and very lovely as well. So here is the triangle is there. This indicate that this person is very good, and he will express his love and anything which is there in his mind. So next one, you see the headline is very straight enough, less emotional, and is very practical as well. And you see next one here, the fate line is going from the moon mount. This indicate that this person going to have a great success with the help of others, a third person in his life, means to say not himself, not from his friends or family. The person who is other than these people help him to become a great in his life. That's all about this palm. And lastly, I told you these markings which are there in this palm. That means to say black mole which is there in this palm, you have to see it. You see here there is a black mole on this bracelet line. This indicate that this is the greatest Raj Yoga of all. The person who is having a black spot on the bracelet line, having a great that too first line is indicating of his health is very strong, and is a great resistance power, and he is very strong that no disease can shake him. That means to say he is the greatest Raj Yoga of all. So that is his body is like a iron, and here one mole is there. on the Jupiter finger, this indicates that he is very much interested and is addicted to the good things in his life. That means to say he is always ready to help, and sometimes he is helping more than which is required. That means to say he is ready to give everything which is there for him as well. That means to say he is not thinking about himself, he is ready to give it off without thinking about his well-being. So during that time he may be in the trouble. So while giving he has to think whether something is there for his life or not. So then it will be very good, and his life will be very fine. I hope you like this prediction, friends. If you like my prediction, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are very much comfortable in Kannada means you can subscribe my another channel, Astro Kannadiga. So then it is time to say goodbye to you, and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you very much, friends. Have a nice day.